I'm sure you've heard of bok choy, but have you ever seen baby bok choy? This stuff is just beautiful. So I want to show you how to do crispy bok choy. We're all going a little bit healthier, so I tried roasting it at a really hot temperature and it turned out beautifully, almost like a crisp chip. So to do that, you take your bok choy. I'm just doing it with a little bit of olive oil, but you can add a little sesame oil. So I've just halved these baby bok choy, and I'm going to add, like I told you, just a little bit of olive oil and some nice salt, pepper. Toss that around a little bit. It's kind of like making kale chips, to be honest with you. And then you place them on a rack. If you don't have a rack, just throw them on a baking sheet. It's perfectly fine. And you want to set your oven temperature rather high at 450 degrees. You want these bad boys to get golden and crispy. And what I've done is I let them roast at 450 for about 7 to 8 minutes on one side, and then I flipped them over and went for another 5 on the other side so that it really gets roasty all the way around. And then you place them on a plate to serve. And I don't know if you can see that they're lovely and golden. And listen to the crunch. Can you hear that? It's like a chip. It's so good. So I'm just going to serve it today with a little side of soy sauce, because you can either dip or drizzle it over it, but enjoy it. It's fun and it's yummy and it's pretty darn healthy too. See you later. Indulge in crispy bok choy at home with my recipe online at checkpleasefl.com.